right, so you have had some super exciting changes. You just finished session number 2, but before today you had about 3 hours of body work. It was the hour from the consult and then your first 2-hour session. And before we started, your libido was kind of low, and your hormones, like, for about 2 years, I think you said that you have potentially been in like premenopause.
Yes.
Haven't had a menstrual cycle in about 2 years. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. And with the libido, you were saying maybe like once a month you were interested in intimacy. Is that right?
Right.
Okay. And then after the 3 hours of body work, that has gone up to like 4 times a week.
Yes.
That is amazing. And you're also having your first menstrual cycle in 2 years. Is that right?
That's right.
And it's you're on day 2, and it's kind of a medium flow, like a regular cycle.
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome. Now I know a lot of people, once you kind of go without a period, having a cycle is not the most exciting thing in the world. But how are you feeling as far as like your body being balanced? Do you feel like this is what your body wants to be doing? Are you noticing any other changes with sleep, energy, mood, that kind of thing?
Yeah, I'm actually glad that my period is, I'm on my period.
Mm-hmm.
My energy has gone up, and like you mentioned, my intimacy level has gone up as well, so I'm really excited.
That is a big change,
Yeah,
especially
it
in this early in the series.
Mm-hmm.
How long, when it was like a once a month kind of interest for you, how long was that going on?
My husband says too long, but to put a time on it, I want to say for about a year.
A year, low intimacy.
Yeah.
So that is a life-changing experience. That is so wonderful. That makes me just more happy than I can even put into words. And then you had mentioned your energy. And so just from our conversation before, you had mentioned going to sleep earlier.
Yes.
You're going to sleep tired.
Mm-hmm.
Am I right that you're sleeping longer through the night and
I'm
sleeping deeper?
Yeah. I usually will go to the bathroom. I'm a light sleeper,
Mm-hmm.
but for the past 2 weeks, I go sleep early and tired. I wake up early in the morning, and I use those times that I wake up to actually walk before I go to the gym.
That is so awesome. Yeah. And so from our conversation earlier, you mentioned you're waking up about 3 hours earlier than you normally do. And you're waking up energized, not hitting snooze, and you're getting in an extra, not only like exercise session because you're walking, but you're doing that with your son. So it's quality time with your family at the same time. That is so exciting. And then the energy, you mentioned you're feeling that boost like throughout the day.
Throughout the day, yes.
And you said, I think before the sessions, that your energy was maybe like a 4 out of 10. Is that right?
It was a 3.
A 3 out of 10. And what is it now?
A 6.
A 6. Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, that is so exciting.
And also, I'm staying longer at the gym. I usually like to go to the steam room, but I don't last 5 minutes in there and I'm like, oh, I'm done. But lately, me and my husband, we put a timer to 15 minutes so we don't overdo it. But
That's great. Yeah, anything you do with the saunas and the steam rooms is going to increase your results as well as kind of process out some of that detoxy stuff. But yeah, that's amazing because as we kind of balance your lymphatic system, you do actually get like an increased capacity to metabolize temperature. So the external, where is like maybe way too hot before, is like easier and easier to handle. That's exciting. And then you mentioned more time at the gym. Is that affecting your workouts as well?
What do you mean?
Like, are you working out longer, more often?
Oh yeah, longer.
Awesome.
Yes.
That is so great. Well, thank you so much. I'm so excited to see what happens for you. We still have a long ways to go in your series, so I am just so excited.
Okay, thank you.
My pleasure.